Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs. Welcome to the LEGO outlet in TOSU Premium Outlets. The LEGO outlet at TOSU Premium Outlets offers a variety of LEGO products for children. At the LEGO outlet, visitors can explore a wide range of LEGO products, including themed sets and special editions. The outlet caters to LEGO fans looking for unique items and exclusive deals. Stay tuned for any ongoing events, sales, or exclusive promotions at the LEGO outlet. TOSU Premium Outlets is one of Kyushu's largest outlet malls, complete with 170 highly sought-after domestic and worldwide brands. The property is inspired by the architecture and open atmosphere of Southern California and infused with a resort-like relaxed air that shoppers love. Guests with kids will love that there are plenty of nursing rooms and a playground for children. Fashion brands dominate the selection, with a broad lineup ranging from luxury and outdoor labels to casual brands suitable for daily wear. Other shops to note include great deals on interior decor, lifestyle items, and cosmetics. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us. The mall is open year-round and is a popular destination for both locals and tourists. There are many reasons why TOSU Premium Outlets is worth visiting. First, the mall offers a wide variety of stores, so you are sure to find something you like. There are stores for all budgets, from luxury brands like Gucci and Prada to mid-range brands like Coach and Kate Spade. You can also find a variety of Japanese brands at the mall, such as Muji and Uniqlo. Please like, share, and subscribe. Second, the mall offers great deals on merchandise. Many of the stores offer discounts of up to 70% off, so you can save a lot of money on your purchases. The mall also offers a variety of coupons and promotions, so be sure to check the website before you go. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Third, the mall is located in a convenient location. It is just a short drive from Hakata Station, making it easy to get to. There is also ample parking available at the mall. Please do watch our other Fukuoka, Japan playlist. Fourth, the mall is clean and well-maintained. The grounds are well-landscaped, and the stores are all clean and inviting. Please do watch our other hobby and collection series. Have you been to Fukuoka, Japan? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.